Hello guys, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Today we are talking about the starting lineup, Saksasa, tomorrow's starting lineup. As I was telling you guys, Oguti, I've seen how serious is Kaizer Chiefs players. They are prepared to face any team unless if we are facing some injuries. But if we are not facing more injuries, we will be very happy and healthy in our squad. And the starting lineup of tomorrow, as it's predicted, like this: Peterson as a goalkeeper, Solomon as a right back, and Quinika as a center back, right center back, and then uMakat as a left center back. UCross yena bese adlale as left center back, left back, and then uMabu bese angene khona lapha naye as i-center defensive midfielder nomthethwa. And then bese sibuye la ku-forward bese sithole uVelebhayi lapha as i-right winger, and then sithole uVilakazi as i-attacking midfielder, and then bese sithole uShabalala as i-left winger, u-Igodare as i-center forward or as a striker. This can be a good formation if they can do it like this, but I don't think Cedric Kaze is thinking the way I do, because he has his opinions as a coach and he's the one who decides at the end of the day. But the second formation, if Kaizer Chiefs can play like this formation is very good, guys, because of look at Mthethwa Ugut. He's sitting where he's sitting at the center and is controlling all the passes, so that even if he cannot pass far, but he has the closest players like Mabu and Vilakazi. He is able to play. He is able to play good passes, because I know with the short passes he is good. Only the long passes, it's difficult for him to do that. And then Vilakazi and Mabui, they can supply Ushabalala or Velebhayi or Igodaro. And uSolomons naye uzothola ispace sakhe sokuthi overlap akhona ukushaya i-up and down. You can see how good is the space. And then uCross, we know that he's always sitting at the back. Thank you very much, guys. Please comment.